All right, problem 18. Which of the following could not be the lengths of the sides of a triangle? Now remember, when you have a triangle, two sides. Let's say we have a side, just taking a look at this before we start. We have a side right here. Let's pretend it's 3. And then this guy's going out 5. Notice if I bend that 3 real far down to where it's almost a straight line, this guy would be close to, but couldn't quite get to 8, wouldn't it? Notice that 5 plus 3 would determine the longest possible bit that can't quite get to it would be 8. If you had 5 and 3 going like this, you notice that you would have about, it's almost touching, that would have to be a little bit more than 2, but they're together as a straight line, they add up to the 5. This tells me that no matter what type of triangle I have, the shortest it could ever get to is, it's got to be a little bit more than 2. Because if it is 2, it's bent all the way down, it doesn't form a triangle. So it's got to be bent up a little bit more than 2. And this 8, if it's all the way like that, that would be the largest you could get to, but again, you can't get to that. It has to be a little under 8. So I know that it's got to be between 2 and 8 if I had 5 and 3. We quickly realize that the quick way to do this is, hey, if I just take the 5 and 3 and I subtract them, I get 2. If I add them, I get 8. And my measurement has to be somewhere between those two. So you would do that. Never equal to them, in between them. So, if we use that thinking, we come to these problems here, 6, 3, and 9. And we quickly want to just simply say, hey, what would happen? Could that be a triangle? Well, if I subtract them, I get 3. If I add them, I get 9. Now, does 9 fit between 3 and 9? No. So right away, it's choice F. It could not be. Those could not be the lengths of a triangle. Let's double check these guys here just to make sure we didn't make a mistake. I take 3 and 4. If I subtract them, I get 1. If I add them, I get 7. Does 5 fit between there? Yeah, 5 fits between there. That's a pathetic check mark. 4 and 6. Subtract them, 2. Add them, 10. Does 8 fit in between 2 and 10? You better believe it. A little bit better, check mark. 5 and 2. Subtract them, 3. Add them, 7. Does 4 fit in there? Yes, sir, it does. So we know that, yes, it was F. It's the triangle that is not possible. Those lengths will not work.